beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am showing you guys how I took this style from out the box. This hair came curled and highlighted and did a cute little style with it. I mean, I did bleach and pluck the knots because y'all know me, I can only do but so much out the box, but everything else straight from out the box and how the wig came. So if you guys want to see how I got this style and you think I look good, stay tuned and keep on watching and we can get on to it.
All I gotta say is, mwah! And you already know who it is.
Hey everybody, it's Jalea. That's not what I be saying. Hey beautiful, it's you, looking good as always. I knew you were gonna come up here looking good like how you do. I wasn't expecting nothing less. Today I got a unit from West Kiss Hair and we're just gonna install it. I'm thinking I might talk a little bit, I might not, you know, it might just be a mix of voiceover with, you know, a little bit of talking. I don't really have anything to say. I just want to come on here. I do have something to say real quick. This hairstyle inspiration is coming from that video of Erica Mena crying on the phone about her child support and only getting 4K, which is very, you know, reasonable. I guess 4K wasn't enough for her because it wasn't enough. She felt very strong about how she was feeling about it, but I was like, wow, her hair looks really good. I like the little piece to the side. I like the slit to the back. So I'm thinking that's what I want to do, inspired by that. So, you know, shout out her. Hope she get her child care situation figured out. Let me go grab the wig. This wig did come with curls already in it. I'm gonna show you guys, you know, right now, right here. And so I was like, I should take advantage of that and not curl this wig. So that's what I did. I went ahead and sectioned it off and put it in like a hairnet so that it wouldn't be affected from like when I bleached the knots and when I plucked the wig. So that all definitely so happy with the back. That back, it's got them curls still. So hopefully, you know, they look real good. I'm kind of excited about using the wig out the box. It's not really out the box because I did put my spin on it, but it's kind of exciting. Yeah, I think that's all I gotta say for now. So, you know, if I feel like compelled to say anything else, you know, we're gonna definitely tap in with each other. We're gonna definitely, the words will be exchanged if they need to be. But if not, I'm just gonna sit here and chill and do my hair and hope that, you know, I don't have to cry in the wig once I try to, you know, imitate what was going on. Before we get into the wig, can we take a moment for the B? What? No foundation? No foundation. Just concealer, bronzer, blush. I mean, if y'all want a tutorial, let me know. But anyway, full 13x4 construction all the way around on this lace frontal. Getting it situated on my head, you know, one in the middle. Gotta get these ear tabs out. Doing a little zigzag. I made these a little bit big. They're gonna bother me the rest of the video. I don't know why they were big, but I had to adjust them a few times, but that's okay. You know, sometimes you gotta go back and fix things. Cut those slits, you know, get that lace off your lashes. Ain't nothing fun about the lashes poking into your lace while you're trying to get stuff done. It's not fun. I'm gonna use this Ebin tinted lace spray because it was looking a little light skinned. It was looking a little ashy, if you will. I started off with the sensitive one. I don't know why. You know, I'm gonna definitely spray it, dry that one down, and then go back in with the active one. And y'all, let me tell y'all, I've been on a little workout journey, and you know, not to toot my own horn or nothing, but I'm on the 4th week of working out and I'm very proud of myself. But I have been in the gym with a wig on that was glueless, active spray, and it was stuck. I mean, I busted a sweat. I'm not too sweaty of a person, but I mean, I busted a full clean sweat and the wig was stuck. I don't know, I never hit the gym before then and test that out for y'all, but it mean active when it say active. So that's my little 2 cents on that. But once you get that 3rd layer tacky, you can go ahead and stick that lace onto it and push that in with a comb, and also your fingers. I like use my fingers a lot now. I used to like not, because I get real particular about, you know, things touching me, and so usually I'm not a fan of like sticky fingers, like anything of the sort, but when it's a little bit dry, it's easier to press into the lace with your fingers like I'm doing here. You know, just let it be dried down a little bit more and put on that elastic band. Get that, you know, situated, get that stuck, get that laid. So like lately I've been letting my band sit a long time and it's really been like in my lace. And I know some girls on TikTok were saying that this don't do nothing and the lace be there. But then I think they have to realize you're wearing a wig. And then also, this is not glue. It's spray. So for those 2 things, I feel like my lace be as going as it need to be. As going as ain't nobody gonna beat my ass about it. So I'm gonna let this sit for the 10 minutes. I let that go good 10 minutes, busted it off. It was looking like it was stuck. Like I'm telling y'all, it be stuck. I know it's just spray, and y'all be thinking it's just spray. It's not doing much, but I promise you can make this install last a good 3 days if you wanted to. If you want to. And also, if you don't, you change your mind on that second day, you can go ahead and put a little water to the lace and then slide right off. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. But I'm again using my fingers and that spray method, using the spatula to press that lace, give that extra little oomph into it so that the lace is really melted, really laid. And you know, like I said, I was going to keep messing with that ear tab. So that's me figuring out that it's a little thick behind there. But I did cut that off camera. And then now I'm spraying the spatula, touching the spatula to the lace, blow drying that down till it's dry, pushing that in with my fingers. And that's my little routine. I'm really liking it right now. I'm feeling like I'm getting a really seamless, glueless install this way. I got the band back on. And would y'all be mad at me if I didn't do the crying Erica Mena hair? Because I kind of want to do like a braid into like a ponytail. Like I feel like that would be really cute. I don't know. It would look really good with the hair, with the curls. Just recurl the ponytail. Let's work for me. You know, like, yeah, maybe not this time. But I got another video lined up in a couple days. So maybe then. Maybe not. Who knows? I gotta stop saying I'm gonna do shit before I do it. But I got this back on after I did this side, and now we're melting for another 10 or so minutes. This is where the premium milk comes in. Like this is where, like, if you didn't really hit your 10 minutes before, this is 10-minute time. Like, so let me go eat a snack or something.
Margiela skirt in a while, so I think I want to wear theirs. So I think I'm gonna do the skirt with this blue.
It does something for my inner child, you know? A grade A snack. Now last one be the hardest one. Like, I could really have another. Okay. There we go. Worried me a little bit at first. It's looking very light skinned still. What the hell we gonna do now? I'm just put a little. This is my bronzer brush, but I just need a little color. It's just a little too light skinned for me. And I just really bronzed like my whole forehead. That was really nice. So don't be mad at me about the hair reference, but I definitely will be doing a style similar to that soon. I have a lot of styles in mind. Sometimes I get in the chair and I'm like, I don't really feel like doing all that. So, you know, why submit myself to doing all that if I don't really want to do all that? So let's try a different style. I'm thinking the way the hair was sitting when I was like playing with it in my hands, it just looked like it would be really nice in two ponytails. That's what I was inspired by during the course of the video. I'm getting on my edges using that big C shape, you know, in that corner to get all the hairs to the front that I need. Going to get that out of my face. You see how the hair is still curled? That's crazy. I wonder what technique they use to make the curls stay so long, because yeah, but guess we need to go to TJ Maxx and get a laundry list of things. One of those being Sebastian Shaper spray. I need to re-up on that. If y'all don't know, y'all can get that from TJ Maxx for the low, and that's what I choose to do. So I need to hit TJ Maxx so I can stop using this even spray like it's hairspray. It's not, but it's working because I just sprayed it on my edges, and I'll be using it as the hairspray. And it works, you know, it doubles as that, but I really do miss Sebastian Shaper. Sebastian, if you hear me, I miss you. My flat iron was not hot enough. Like, I was really trying to make it work, but it just wasn't hot enough, so I had to wait a second, turn up the heat. Once the heat was hot, it got a real good curl like this. Had to take my time with these ones. So I'm like, no way my curl is not curling like how they should be. But I gave it a second. I let my hot comb, not my hot comb. This is not a hot comb, girl. This is a flat iron. I let the flat iron heat up a little more and got it real hot. And those are curls I needed. I love just kind of watching this happen. I don't know. I feel like it's kind of really pleasing to the eye to watch it, you know, curl back up. Especially the sideburn. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. As you can see, I was really pleased by it too. I am now going to be swooping my edges into the hair. I'm liking this style I'm going for lately. I don't know. I've been trying to mix things up, if you can't tell, but sometimes you got to start from the back. Sometimes you're working your way too fast. You got to slow down, work your way from the back, get that back swooped up real nice, and then hit the front. That's what I did differently. Y'all see me try for a second, and then I did that little switcheroo moment. Put a little bit of that ORS grip gel on the base, brush it out, and, you know, use your finger. Your finger is your friend. Your finger is going to help you guide the edges the way you want them to lay.
And I try not to use a lot of product, just using it on the base of the edges so that they stay where they need to stay, and the edges at the bottom can look really fluffy and soft. Now it's time to get into the other side. After I flex off this side, not flex off, I show off and flex a little bit about them baby hairs, but got them done off camera. Brush the hair out, and I'm adding a little bit of Ion Silk drops to it because it just felt like it was in need of a little moisture. So add a little moisture, and yeah, so now I'm brushing it out, and I attempted to do a braid, but it kept going downward. I kind of wanted to go upward. It keep going to do. I wanted to go do. You know, it wasn't really doing what I wanted to do. So I was like, maybe if I put a little less hair in it and I try to make it go up, it'll go up. But it just wasn't trying to go up. And at this point, I'm like, I already didn't want nothing difficult, and I'm like, I'm making it more difficult. So maybe I don't need to make it this difficult at all.
I don't want to do it no more. It's too hard. I don't want to do it no more.
I don't know, I just don't think this is like great for me. I don't want to do it. I want to go home. Like, I can't take the pressure of it. But don't you think any job interview...
Well, it's not too hard, but it's like I braided it a few times, and it's like, do I feel like being a perfectionist, or do I feel like getting my hair done, you know? Maybe I should even put a piece to the front. I'll put a piece to the front.
So I changed the style again, and I got me a little piece to the front, like the one style I was inspired by, and I rubber banded that up real nice. So that would be, you know, a nice little ponytail. Got that to the back. Another ponytail. I got these on the first try, y'all. I ain't trying to toot my own horn or nothing, but I got them on the first try, and it was looking really good. I really love when I get a good pluck on a wig. Add my finishing touches. Add a few curls to the front where, you know, the frizziness got a little too out of control. Brushing. Shout out Eunice. This video ain't from Eunice, but they sent me that brush, and I like it. But anyway, shout out West Kids for this wig right here though. Get a little curl at the front. I'm curling towards my face inwards, and that's how I'm getting the curls, and I'm curling away from my face right here for this one, and it was a little tight. It was a bit much for me, honestly.
It's a little too abrupt right here. But it's cute for now. Let me go ahead and wrap a little piece around this just for my sanity's sake. I'm gonna do a little blonde one.
Made it short and sweet, so y'all have to watch me wrap it around.
So this is the final. I got y'all on my face a little bit. Y'all was a little close. But here's the final look. Here's me using the curls straight out the package. Little touch up, nothing crazy, because sometimes your girl wants to be able to use it out the pack. Sometimes I want to be difficult. So I'm just gonna separate some of these curls. I feel like that would be really nice. I'm usually gonna change my shirt and stuff, but nah, I don't know what's going on down here. That worked. Did y'all even see that? All right, y'all, it's been very real. Ow! My scissors poked me this way down. These ain't no regular scissors. Them is sewing scissors. That hurt. Thank y'all for watching the video. I am a fan of this look. I still gotta do Crying Erica Mena hair. Just like a variation on it. Cause I ain't wanna do a full half up, half down because it is beautiful. But I feel attractive. I really enjoy, you know, the lace on this unit. The color is really nice. Sometimes it'd be a little abrupt, like on the side. The bleach just kind of start that, but somebody else bleached it, not me. So, you know, if I just tuck it behind my ear real quick, like you can't even. This is made in batches, so it's not gonna be as paid attention to detail. But I think the hair is really nice, and the curls are obviously holding. Shout out West Kiss for sending me this unit today and, you know, sponsoring today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I am a fan of the unit and the install and the style. If you liked it, be sure to leave me a like, a comment. I already told y'all what emoji to comment, so don't forget. It really helps me. You know, YouTube said fuck me and don't ever want to tell people when I upload. So when you comment, when you like, when you share with a friend, it really helps your girl out because YouTube is hating on me. I will see y'all soon. I feel very cute. I'm ready to go look cute in the living room. So I'll see you in my next one. Bye, beautiful.